In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a light leak transition in Canva. A light leak is that soft, colorful flare that glides across the screen to hide a cut, giving your edit a polished, cinematic feel. We'll do it entirely inside Canva, and you'll be able to reuse this approach for any project. Start by opening your existing Canva template or design with your video clips laid out as pages. We're going to place the light leak between two clips, so add a new page right in the middle of the two videos you want to connect. Think of this new page as your transition layer. Next, head over to Elements. In the search bar, type Light Transition or Light Leak. This will surface animated overlays that mimic real lens flares and film burns. Click See All so you can browse the full selection, and make sure you're looking at video results rather than static graphics. Look for clips with smooth motion and soft edges. These blend best and won't distract from your footage. Choose a light leak video you like, then drag it onto that new middle page. Set it as the background so it fills the entire frame without borders. This ensures the effect covers the whole screen and feels intentional. Now shorten the duration of this light leak clip. Transitions usually feel clean when they're quick, so try trimming it down to around half a second to 1.5 seconds. Short and snappy tends to look more professional. With the light leak page ready, move your mouse between the first video page and the light leak page until you see the transition control. Click Add Transition. From the options, choose Dissolve. Dissolve blends the frames softly and works great with light leaks because it avoids harsh edges. Increase the transition duration to its maximum for a smoother, more gradual blend. This gives the light leak enough time to wash across the screen while the clips gently mix. If this transition style is working well, apply it between all pages to keep your edit consistent throughout the project. Consistency is key. Using the same transition timing across your video helps it feel cohesive. Finally, click Preview. Watch the cut closely. You're looking for the light flare to peak right as you switch from the first clip into the second. If it feels too long or too short, adjust the light leak page duration or the transition timing slightly and preview again until it feels seamless. That's it. Your light leak transition is ready. Save this layout as a template so you can drop in new clips next time and recreate the look in seconds.